In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly find the correct Medentika CADCAM library for your software and indication. We'll use the example of selecting a library for a titanium base second generation for local production with Exocad. Open your web browser and go to Medentika.com. Click on the Downloads section in the top navigation. Then select CADCAM libraries from the drop-down menu. To find the correct library, use the available filters. First, under Partner Company, select the software you are working with, in this case, Exocad. Next, adjust the country filter. If you're working outside the USA, choose Global. Then, under Product Reference, select the relevant indication. For this example, check Thai base second generation. Finally, under Workflow, Digital Manufacturing, decide whether you'll manufacture the restoration locally in your lab, or if you prefer to use one of Medentika's manufacturing centers. Once all filters are applied, usually only one matching library will be displayed. You can then download it directly. This way, you ensure the selected library fits your software, your indication, and your production workflow.